Hello everyone and welcome back again to a brand new Webflow video. Mobile menu not open in Webflow, hamburger icon does nothing, and it opens but you can't click anything. This is one of the most common Webflow issues. So, when a mobile menu breaks, it's usually z-index positioning or interactions or custom code, not Webflow itself. So to fix that, you need to actually check first your z-index. So select your navigation bar. As you can see here, I have my navigation bar and click to edit it. So I'm going to click here into the settings. And as you can see here, I'm going to choose the mobile form. So here I'm going to choose the mobile format, or you can simply just switch it from here so you can view your site as a mobile format. And check first from Webflow from your PC while you are coding or editing your site. Check how it looks. Check if the navigation bar is working and basically visible. For example, here, if I chosen this type of mobile, then this menu icon or this hamburger icon will not function good, for example, if it was hidden. So I need to make it bigger, I need to make it more visible so the user can actually see it. Now, what if the problem was from navigation itself? Make sure that once you are doing this, when you click on settings, make sure that the menu itself is not hidden. So here I'm gonna make sure to show it, as you can see. So now it is visible, as you can see here, but that could cause a problem, because imagine if it was hidden, then people will not be able to actually see it in the first place and the menu will not work at all. So this is something that you need to work on, which is make the menu more visible, do not hide it. You can also choose here, for example, over right, over down, over left, whatever you want, but keep it in a place where it is visible so people can use it, so they can actually make it more functionable. So here you can add more links. When this comes to links, you need to give your links a good URL. For example, I have the home page here, which is this one. Make sure that the page that you are locating it to is actually created, and basically make sure that the menu is linked with a page. So by going right here in this icon, you can choose whatever you can choose to use URL, a file, but here we need a page. So make sure that the page is created. So I'm going to choose home, and then this means that this button is going to take us to the home page. Same thing, check it with other buttons. About needs to take us to about, style guide needs to take us to style guide, and so go on. And once you finish this edit, open it with the mobile view here, and of course publish it so you can save any update or modification you've made throughout the configuration of the solution that I have just shown you. And yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. Thanks for watching, and see you guys in the next upcoming videos.